Come test drive this 2011 Hyundai Sonata. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.